I am PM Ishwar Mohan Devvarma, President NLFP. So first of all, I would like to thank the government of India as we today celebrating homecoming ceremony is followed by our accord on 4th September 2024. So I like to thank first of all government of India, especially the Home Ministry Amit ji and team, especially Home Ministry team and here Agartala team and Shillong Guwahati, everyone of their team. I would like to thank to them first of all, and the state agency, everyone, and the BSF and other agencies, Tripura Police, PSR, everyone. So as we are very happy. We are very happy as we celebrate here today, and we join already. And let's see what to say. Now in front of our work is more work is there. Since we are coming back home, there is we have program. Lots of program is there. We will go ahead with this all those programs. So here we have our central committee members. My right side is first of all our Vice President Jacob Rangpal. My left is GS and all others. Here is the organizing secretary. We have so many here, Chief of Army Staff and other members, guidance, finance secretary, defense secretary are here. Actually this is not nicely I could not make, So if you have any question, you can ask.
Sir, how many people have laid down arms?
From we are here 4 groups. Okay. As you all know that we are 4 groups here. I can say only from my group. So we have 380. We had 380 only for the program purpose. There is less attendance.
From 380 from NLFP?
Yes, NLFP my group.
BM group.
Yes, right?
So what, sir, what encouraged you to join the mainstream life, if you can say?
Yes, I understand you. Everything is starting at the end. Yeah, it's the time to come back. This is the thing we have decided. This is the party decided, and we process the dialogue. Government of India, they welcome us. It's a fruitful dialogue after around more than 7 months in our process. And today we got this thing. So we are celebrating with the Thank you.